see who comes by, or protect it from unwanted visitors. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home. Ring streams HD video and audio over your home Wi-Fi to mobile devices. With Ring, you'll never miss a visitor.
Delivery from Mr. Phillips?
Great, just leave it by the door, thank you.
And Ring's customizable motion detection makes it easier than ever to keep an eye on your property.
Oh, I see you, Timmy Stevenson.
With Ring's cloud recording feature, you can instantly access, replay, and share your video events. When it comes to security, Ring lets you give the appearance of being home, even when you're not.
Hello?
I'm just in the neighborhood doing free house painting estimates.
I'm bathing the children right now.
All right.
Ring helps families keep their homes secure and prevents break-ins before they occur, during the day and at night. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide variety of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home's personality. You don't need extra tools or professional help to mount Ring in minutes. Ring works on any home, whether you have available power or not. And should someone steal your Ring, we'll even replace it for free. With convenience, 24/7 home monitoring, and the peace of mind of added security.
Yeah, move with it.
A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi, Shelly. You home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put it around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring Video Doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over. Home security is something that concerns us all. But what goes on at your home when you're not there?
Don't even think about it. You need to leave.
Introducing Floodlight Cam by Ring, a motion-activated security camera that puts HD video, automated recording, and a powerful alarm in your hands. Floodlight Cam is the ultimate in proactive home security. A 140-degree HD camera detects motion and captures video with two-way talk. And 2 high-beam LED smart lights illuminate every corner of your home for optimal video quality. You can easily customize Ring's advanced motion detection so you only get notified when it matters. Available in 2 weatherproof finishes, Floodlight Cam is easy to install on any home and integrates with a variety of smart technologies. Floodlight Cam is smart enough to detect faces and objects.
Hey, girls.
Hi, Dad.
And works with your other Ring cameras
Oh, hey, can you remember to bring the trash cans in tonight?
to create a ring of security around your home. Day or night, Floodlight Cam watches over your home and keeps you in the know. See security in a whole new light. Floodlight Cam.
Being safe is very important to us. So when we were looking for a home security system, we were looking for one that had high definition cameras.
Something that didn't have a lot of wires.
And cameras that we could put up discreetly throughout the house. And when we found Arlo, the choice was a no-brainer. Installation was very simple.
Because it doesn't require any cords, we can get creative about where we put it. We can just move them to keep an eye on our baby.
You have the batteries that are long-lasting, so I can have it installed outside. You get email alerts, and it works with motion sensors. When we go on vacation, we always know that we can stay connected and know what's going on with the house. So Arlo gives us peace of mind at work and at night. Arlo has definitely made an impact in our lives.
It's really made being safe simple.
A home burglary occurs every 15 seconds in the U.S.
It's just a sensor.
And most take place when you're not there.
You guys lost?
No, this is Mike's place? Mike's place?
No, it's not. You need to leave.
Introducing Spotlight Cam by Ring, a motion-activated security light with an HD camera, automated recording, and two-way talk that keeps you safe and protects your home. Bright enough to light up your yard. 270 degrees of advanced motion detection. Smart alerts to your phone, so you always know what's going on.
Hey, guys. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mrs. Roberts.
Promise me you'll do your homework, okay?
Day or night, protecting your home has never been.
Wyze View 1080p FHD dome camera Q5. (1080p full HD resolution). Keep an eye on your home, anytime, anywhere. Real-time motion detection alert. Catch every important movement.
Jack, get down.
Two-way audio. Soothe your pet when you are out. Works with Alexa.
Alexa, show me the baby's room.
Use just your voice and see what your child is doing. Night vision gives you clear black and white picture in the pitch dark. Wyze View 1080p FHD dome.
Bale, Mr. Cuddles, Tony. This is Arlo Pro. Arlo Pro, meet the boys. You guys want some cupcakes? Arlo Pro's pretty awesome, guys. She's wire-free, she's got two-way audio, free cloud storage, HD quality, and she's weatherproof. Oh, and she's rechargeable. Oh, the doorbell. Packages under the bench, please. Thank you. Pretty cool, right?
Setting up Arlo wire-free is fast and easy. However, if you do run into issues during the installation with motion detection or the alerts, there are some common troubleshooting tips you'll want to know. In this video, we'll review several of them. Arlo cameras have a 110-degree viewing angle. Proper positioning will ensure that you get the most out of your Arlo system. Position the camera so the space that you want to monitor is within the camera's field of view. Be sure to mount the camera at least 7 feet from the floor, aimed slightly down, and positioned for side-to-side movement across its field of view. If your camera is not detecting motion, or if it's detecting motion you don't want it to, the motion sensitivity may need to be adjusted. Use the motion detection test to find the optimal motion setting for each camera. To open the motion detection test, go to Settings, My Devices, select your camera, then click on Motion Detection Test. Start at a low setting and walk in front of the camera. Keep moving and increasing the motion detection setting until the camera's front LED indicator light starts blinking. This means the camera has detected your motion and can be set at this level. Remember, the motion detection test is simply an assessment. To change your camera's level of sensitivity, click on the Mode tab and select your base station. Then, click the pencil icon next to the mode. Tap the pencil icon to edit when motion is detected and drag the bar to adjust the motion sensitivity. In some cases, your camera may be detecting motion, but you're not receiving the alerts. In this case, either your email address is not confirmed or the alert setting is accidentally disabled in the rule. First, check this by navigating to Settings, then Profile. If you've not confirmed your email address for motion alerts, you'll see a message indicating this. Click on the Confirm link to receive a confirmation email. Open your email and complete the verification process for the email notifications to begin. If this doesn't solve the problem, check the rule settings by going to Mode, selecting a camera and tapping the pencil icon under Email Alerts. You can also add additional email addresses for receiving alerts by selecting Edit. For more troubleshooting tips, head to support.arlo.com.